fittingly hits the winning run. Shahid Afridi, big man, big game, it's a leg by, who cares? 139 for 2 and Pakistan invade the pitch. Handshakes all round, it's been a wonderful tournament, a fantastic tournament, and it's Pakistan, and yes, you might say fittingly, win this 2020 World Cup. They've overhauled Sri Lanka and 2 super teams have been in the final. It's Pakistan, Wasim.
What a great comeback by Pakistan side. They're all saying thank to their Allah. And of course, this victory, eventually Pakistan team will dedicate to the brave army of Pakistan.